I've stayed in Siem Reap for 5 days now and this is the best experience so far. The hosts are so welcoming and kind, the countryside of Cambodia is lovely. The food experience is very authentic as well, no tourist traps and the hosts are very loving and explains everything perfectly. It was very fun. I made a lovely friend on this tour, I had so much fun doing this. I learned how to make fish amok which I now cook now that I am back home. Our teachers at the cooking school are the best as they are welcoming and patient. We visited a local market and then a short tour around their garden to familiarize ourselves with the ingredients. One class has about 7 people so it is not crowded at all. Another thing, I enjoyed the entire cooking class. It began with a visit to a local market, followed by a tour of the herbal garden before heading to the kitchen. Our instructor, Surya, speaks fluent English and is very friendly. You can choose your preferred dishes from the menu, and they will guide you through the cooking process. Everything was absolutely delicious. This was the best experience among all the services I booked on Klook. You can choose 4 dishes according to your taste. There are 12 different kinds of food prepared. The staff have the ability and wit to manage a large number of people. The curriculum was designed to help you understand Cambodian food culture. It was perfect. And I was quite worried that the 12. If you're ever in Siem Reap, make sure you add this activity to your list. Surya, our cooking instructor, was wonderful. She was energetic, easy to keep up with and answered every question that we had. She also provided food alternatives to some of the guests that had dietary requirements. Our experience started with a tour in their garden, getting to know all the homegrown ingredients we're using for our cook. We were then able to choose 4 dishes that we would like to cook for ourselves. I was so surprised by this option as most cooking classes will choose what dish they were going to teach you, but for this, we get to choose. The lesson itself was really recommend this cooking class. Was one of my favorite memories from my trip. The whole experience was amazing. Was a really easy cooking class and very quick and easy to follow. Make sure you add this to your list. The service provided was top-notch. From the moment we arrived, the staff were welcoming and attentive. They ensured that everyone was comfortable and had the necessary tools and ingredients. The instructor was knowledgeable and engaging, providing clear step-by-step guidance throughout the session. They were also very patient, offering assistance to those who needed extra help, which made the class accessible to all skill levels. The hands-on experience was balanced with demonstrations, and there was plenty of time to ask questions. In terms of value for money, the class was definitely worth it. For the price, we received high-quality ingredients, use of professional kitchen equipment, and this was my first time to book a cooking class tour and it's probably one of the best decisions I made. Very fun. Super nice people and a great way to learn more about their food. A 4-course meal and you are okay to choose what you want to cook. Serving was huge, I wasn't able to finish them. Their tuk-tuk will pick you up from your hotel and take you back, but you can request